Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will show you how to make a reservation in a restaurant. Colonial Restaurant, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation.
For sure, what day will it be for?
For Monday the 30th.
That day we have available at 7 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. What time do you prefer for your reservation?
At 7 p.m. it's okay.
For how many people will be your reservation?
For 9 people, 7 adults and 2 children.
Could you give me your name?
Yes, my name is Linda López.
Okay, so your reservation will be for Monday 30th at 7 p.m.
Yes, that's correct. Can we have a private dining room and a non-smoking section? I don't want to be close to the restrooms.
I'm sorry, Ms. Lopez. I'm afraid it won't be possible as our private dining rooms are only for 5 people. But we can offer you a table on the terrace if you wish, and don't worry, our entire restaurant is non-smoking.
Oh, it's okay.
Do you need something special?
Yes, I need 2 high seats for the kids.
Okay, no problem. We wait for you here on Monday at 7 p.m.
Sure, thank you.
We hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.